My name is Angela Strous, and I'm a portfolio manager at Catholic Health Initiatives. We are a healthcare organization with hospitals in 18 states, and we have 78 facilities, 40-some long-term care facilities as well. So when talking about Catholic Health Initiatives, I like to share the statistic. We give out over $715 million in charity care every year. So our Enterprise Program Management Office started during an initiative that was called One IT, which was bringing all of the disparate ITS organizations from our market-based organizations under one corporate shared services model. And so Clarity was used to track support time, which gave visibility to the resource managers of what their teams were working on. It was used to track project time to support program and portfolio management functionality. And at this point, we have implemented a project executive steering committee, so we're trying to roll up the data to that next level to be able to give our executive leaders a horizontal view of everything that's taking place in the portfolio. We are now using it for our resource management, for portfolio management, for cost tracking, and for our overall project and portfolio visibility. When I started with Catholic Health Initiatives, our entire EPMO fit in one small conference room for staff meetings. With changes in healthcare legislation, with the new funding for the High-Tech Act, along with other organizational and enterprise factors, we discovered a need to increase our ability to manage and control our project works across the organization. Our Program Management Office has set goals to improve enterprise visibility to the portfolio, including resource and demand management. One of the most useful features within the Clarity product is our ability to look holistically at resource utilization. That's an area that I'm particularly interested in addition to portfolio management, because I'm also responsible for the resource management and identifying what project resources are available, when they are available, and making sure that we're able to support the demands of the organization and meet the business needs of the customer. One indicator that CA Clarity has helped to allow us to do increased efficiency and cost control is the fact that we have now expanded its use outside of just the ITS organization, and we are now bringing enterprise-wide projects into the system. CA Clarity is one of the tools in our toolbox that allowed us to be a finalist for the PMO of the Year award. We brought CA Services in to help us through issues with the integration of Microsoft Project and Clarity, both in terms of technical problems we were experiencing as well as user adoption issues. CA Services came in, spent a week with us in a consulting capacity to work through the issues that we were having, make recommendations, and help us identify what the best practices were going to be for our organization. When CA Services came to our location, what they helped us do is create tailored training to the needs of our project managers, customized information that was going to be appropriate for all of them in using the tool. So it wasn't an out-of-the-box training that we walked away with, it was something that really met our needs. CA Services allowed us to help our project managers utilize the tool more fully to make sure that everyone was playing on the same playing field and to ensure consistent results across all of our projects for successful delivery. So we're currently on version 12.1, and we are very excited about moving into 13.2, particularly from my perspective as a portfolio manager. The increased functionality and the overhaul in that area is something that our organization is really looking forward to taking advantage of.